Some months ago, I made a video to pay tribute to the great late Murphy Afolabi. A lot of people saw that video, and after some days, I got a message from Moyosore. Moyosore is one of late Murphy Afolabi's daughters.
The last time I saw him was on Ramadan Day, which was 2023. The same year he died.
Okay.
So that day we went to his place, and I went to his place at Ajao Estate to his new to the house. So when I got there, we ate together, we had fun together. So I think it was that day he left the house. He traveled that day. Okay. So since then I didn't see him. Not until I heard of it, demise on Sunday. Oh. He has done so many things and he made so many promises to me. But since death came, I know that his spirit will lead me through.
I decided to pay them a visit to check up on them to see how they are doing. Yoruba will say, Adiye okinku kadeyin enu. For those of you that have not seen that video I'm talking about, let me give you a little recap of that video I am talking about. See, in the industry, Said Balogun is my official boss. Murphy Afolabi is my industry boss. Because Obi Koto Nwoni. At the beginning of my career, yeah, Murphy Afolabi was the first person that gave a production manager my number. Me and Crack, he gave our numbers to the production manager of a particular big production that call this guy, tell him he's coming to work on this set so date. And it was like Murphy will help on one way or the other to get celebrity ńlá ní industry wa leni irọ́ ló ń pa. Irọ́ ńlá ló ń pa. Murphy Afolabi ni ọkùnrin tó máa sun rárá fún ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ tí kò sí nǹkan kan tó fẹ́, like ọkùnrin tó sun rárá fún ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ akọ́ṣẹ́ ló ń ṣe. Murphy Afolabi ló máa help ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ without even expecting a dime or a thing